we have two, two and two. And where they put these, it will quite often be in the closed test where you have to choose the different words, or it will be in the spelling. And the problem is you scan over the spelling looking for wrongly spelt ones, but of course these are all spelt correctly, but they're in the wrong place. And there lies the problem. So you just have to have a little look for it. And let's see if we can find my pen. There we go. So we'll find a proper size pen because this is doing my head in. So this two here, this one is for when there are two eyes watching you. This kind of two here has got too many O's. So that's when you go too far, you have too much pudding. It's more than is necessary. And this two is when you go from one place whoop, to another place. Two, one, two, two as in too many, and this two as from one, they go from Edinburgh to Glasgow. Turns up quite a lot. Bye.